Welcome to the latest Veymax escape vlog. The protagonist of this video is Sayor. We will try to replace Sayor's tires with 105 wheels. Let's first take a look at what Sayor looks like under the wheel.
And dry lancers, and the check when it arrived. We went touch, 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 touch. A redder shade of neck on a whiter shade of trash. And this emery board is giving me a rash. I'm flat out. You're so beautiful to look at when you cry. Freeze, don't move. You've been chosen as an extra in the movie adaptation of the sequel to your life. A shady lane, everybody wants one. A shady lane, everybody needs one. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Next, I will replace the Sayor's tires with 105mm tires. Front wheels done. Back wheels is tied with hub motors.
Around the world, share the same feelings. Black boy, white girl.
Done.
People, don't close your
Sayor can rock into off-road too.
Only love can save the world and make us survive. It's your life. 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 It's your life.
We met a player who was playing a normal skateboard. And I invited him to try our electric skateboard. He's not used to electric skateboards, but he liked it.
For diamonds and pearls.
Night fell and we turned on the taillights of our skateboards.
Don't close your eyes.
See you next time. Looking forward to our next meeting.
Make us